Happy Monday. So let's take a technical review for this week. So as usual, on Monday we're going to highlight original ideas. So we have about 12 following ideas from across the Asian region. Let's start with the first one, our benchmark index. So as usual, we are tracking the performance of the FTSE Asian 40 index, which is pretty much the sentiment in the regional market, and this index become one of the barometer for the sentiment early so yeah. Now, as for last week, we did highlight that there are potential that the index could actually trend higher, building up on the much more stronger baseline or much more earlier. So because of that, we're expecting the the index to challenge the level of 10,300. Now, as for last week, the index has indeed traded higher. It was pushed by the so-called gap up move on midweek actually. So taking the index search past the immediate resistance, now turning into a support level at 10,300. If you notice, those line now it become the we call that the current baseline for the index. Now, the index also has actually approaching the next target is still at 10,450, but there's no further to yet. So as we see right now, the index is pretty much traded above 51.8 on the major cycle high and low, and right within the next system level of 70% in the line. So we think, given the overall region momentum, so we think that this will transform the ongoing uptrend to continue. So we did not official level at 10,450, and the next one should be at 10,650. So that's what we expect at least in the near term. Now moving on into today's trading idea, we have for Malaysia we have ASX. There's no transfer, but we like the stock despite the recent one out. One reason because we want to go for one because we want to see much more stronger baseline the deal. So we was like that the stock is actually building a new baseline right above for the previous downtrend channel. So this actually pretty much give more baseline for the stock and more validation that the stock has set to ready to rally higher. Momentum is elevated. Risk to ratio is actually quite interesting at 7.5% downside risk versus 23% upside potential. So we put our technical assistant at 175 cents and 196 cents, while the cut loss will be very 136 cents. The next stock we have Opsa. Opsa is our technical buy on 19 April. This set back on the next on the same day. The downside was kept right within that our index stock uh 114. So the subsequent growth for the stock is actually fairly much higher, taking into challenge the next resistance level as the stock is actually getting about 24.75% with our second target. So the subsequent baseline or second correction was marked, and we can tell that the stock actually building a new baseline above we saw that what we saw that above 14 day moving average. So we expect the uptrend to continue if near term with the new and high target at 190 not 56 cents, 100%. So they could have below 130. So coin score 5.9 quality. On Indonesia, we have A-Star Industry in Indonesia. So what we can do, if you look, the trend is pretty much conclusion within this larger, what we call that double bottom pattern. And the stock is about challenging the pattern neckline at 830 Indonesia rupiah. So beyond that, you expect a breakout. The next target will be at 1430 Indonesia rupiah. While the second stock we have is Gajah Tunggal, another reversal pattern in shape of the cup handle pattern. Again, the stock is not yet to break the neckline, but we think it will be soon, particularly building on the increasing movement as a MACD. Now, Gajah Tunggal set to test the next resistance level at 1310 and 1495 Indonesia rupiah with a cut loss below 1180. And then we have for Philippines, we have Ayala Land, currently traded at the major support at 61.8 and 70% in the line. We see a solid gain last week. And if you look on your left, the volume profile suggests a strong accumulation has been built within this particular zone. So the net resistance will be at 32.3 and 35.4 with the cut loss below 26.8 and 15 peso. The second stock will be Security Bank Corporation. A recent baseline was there after has regained a new baseline above 88 moving average. Momentum has been strong, so we're expecting the uptrend to continue with the net resistance of 76 and 82 and a half Philippine peso with the cut loss below 67 peso. For Singapore, we like Keppel DC week, which is actually our technical buy on 4 April. Despite some consolidation, the downside was kept again with our initial support. The subsequent gain we saw is actually pretty much build a new baseline. And of course, a breakout above the 88-day moving average. So this actually reinforcing our bullish bias. So because of that, backing by higher momentum, decent reading and high trading volume, we expecting the upcycle to continue as we reach our technical bar will be near and higher target at 1.93 until 0.10 Sing dollar. Now, moving on, second stock will be Nanofilm Technologies. So we're expecting the uptrend to continue after the stock is actually breaking out above the 88-day moving average. The net resistance will be 87.5 and 91 cents with the colors below 67 cents. For Thailand, we let Aeon Tanah Simsa, solid baseline was built above the major resistance mountain of the support above 156 baht. Last week gain on the back of improving momentum, higher trading volume. We're expecting the uptrend to continue with the net resistance at 172 and 184. Um, 184 Thai baht with the cut loss below 152.5. And then we have Airport of Thailand, another consolidation, but about to break the consolidation pattern following improving trading volume and overall momentum of leaders. We put our technical target at 71 Thai baht and 75.5 with the cut loss at below 64.25. Last for Vietnam, we like Cortiscon Construction, a solid breakout above recent downtrend line. We're expecting up to continue. Net resistance at 74,577 Vietnam dollar with the stop loss below 67,000. Last but not least will be Huang An Jialai. Stock the fresh breakout move last week. We're expecting another follow through toward at what is that 15,500 and 16,100 Vietnam dollar. Colors will be below 13,900.